smoking motherfucker, don't come around me with no vape. Got your bitch under the cover, sucking on me like a bait. It's the hero of the dog, but I don't ever wear a cape. Take a pic and then I spark it to the blunt evaporate. They know the baby was suicide. Too deep when I ride. You be getting out for the pills that I supply. The screws are bound, flat tires in a 06 Chevy. Looking like I'm Bloody Mary, sipping codeine and berry. I'm down the dog when I smoke up and I'm creeping like Frank. Raising the chopper right at your face and after that I go blank. Cause looking at off the hinges with syringes shooting up my veins. Rather be left alone, I don't care to know your name.
So basically, yeah, picked up this thing from the Hurlong Army base. It's from the Vietnam era, from the barracks. So it's probably 50-year-old dresser, pretty old. So what better way to dispose of the Army dresser than to blow it up and shoot it? We got here our Army food because they feed you shit. And then a little soda because you love yourself and want something sweet. And some fragrance because it smells like shit. And yeah.
And Tannerite.
Tannerite. That's
a lot of it.
Yes.
Well, enough of it. Figured we set up a cute little scene for its send-off.
You know.
I mean, we could just leave it in the fucking package right here.
Yeah. Oh. Here we go.
Yep. All right, ladies. All right. 3, 2, 1.
That didn't work.
Damn it. We suck. Didn't blow up, so we're doing it again. Take 2. Oh, first try. Good job.
How much was the TV?
$8 bucks.
$8
bucks.
$8.
What are you doing?
I was trying to pull out more.
Yeah, we're fucking retarded.
Yeah, a little bit.
We didn't even open it. We were so eager.
All right, well, I got
We
one.
didn't even
I'm just
mix
going to
it.
put one in here.
Yeah,
Well,
sure.
Oh, that. Look at that. God damn it.
Yeah, we didn't even mix it.
It's like concrete powder.
Yeah, we didn't put the fucking most important thing in there.
Well, all right, we tried to fix it a little bit. So there's the target. Run it back. Third time. Third time's a charm.
Run it. Oh, shit! I hit it! I hit it!
Oh yeah!
Oh
my god! Yeah!
Woo! Woo! We did it! God damn it! She blew the fuck up.
Hey, the lamp's still... Oh, nope, lamp's gone.
Jeez.
Good job, Brian. Yeah, so we're stupid. We bought Tannerite and we didn't mix it. We forgot we had to mix it. So we wasted like 3 pounds of it, but we got 1 pound to explode because we remembered eventually. But yeah, we are gonna go get some more ammo and some more Tannerite, and we're gonna go blow more shit up. And we're gonna do it right this time, so.
Pull up in the Lamborghini just so you can see me swerving to a telephone pole. My skeleton rope for really smoking burn. Put my ashes in the blunt like the front, your vision blurred. You might just learn how to be the cherry I seen the world.
Watch me flex like I'm in the next. Like the job was next in line for heaven, but then I get yes and the devil come full of that fucking insecticide. The shakes inside my dead body. Ironically, after I was identified by the they got all these specified, cause the way there wasn't justified. Dragging the lick, they made a mistake because young big was recognized. The sun turned black, the sky replaced by the face with giant red eyes. Christ cannot compare, we cannot say we breaking bread and wine. Suicide boys can relate to the revelation because we did it out.
Ooh. Bro, that fucking hit me. Like, I don't know if we should drive the truck down there.
So I was saying, if we just grab the shit and load up real quick and then just get out of here. We still don't leave the trash behind when we're getting shot at. Just kidding. This place we're out. It's peel off! Where you shot at? Should go left side, right side?
Left side.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah, he's somewhere right there.
Goddamn, how close bro gotta be? Hey, can you wait, buddy? I mean, he was low-key kind of shooting at us. We're like up behind, kind of. There was a couple that fucking zinged. Nah.
If you've ever heard a bullet fly past you, not saying I've been like hardcore or been in the army or any of that, but it's kind of fucking scary. Somebody fucking flies in here.
Flies in here too.
God damn it!
Yeah, no, but
They're ready for us to die.
yeah.
If we would have took a bullet, realistically,
I mean, that would have been good content.
that would have been great
Like, low-key.
content. I'm gonna go
One of
back.
us. Should we go back?
Oh no, somebody just
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Aw. Oh.
Yeah!
Oh my god. Damn.
Ow! I got fucking hit in the collarbone. Ow.
It never gets old.
Yeah.
Alright, how many shots do you think it's gonna take to blow up the dresser?
If I'm a betting man, I'm gonna do three.
You think you got it in 3?
I got 3.
Zach?
I got 3.
For me hitting the microwave?
Zach's got the microwave. You say 7?
7.
I'm saying 8.
8.
I'm trash.